Hello and welcome to Banks and Markets. This is Binam, and if you click Finance and scroll down, you will see there is a section called Investment, and my lecture slides on bonds and Excel exercise file are there. Okay, now what we're going to talk today is about bond price and volatility. So different concepts such as these are going to be discussed, and in order to understand all these you need to watch a number of videos that I am uploading. Okay, so first thing you will see that I'm talking about the price yield relationship with the help of this example. Now this example is here in the Excel file. Okay, as of now it's empty, but very quickly you will see that I'm going to populate it. So equals price of the bond, which is the function price, and then you start with settlement, then maturity, and then you go to rate, which is coupon rate 9%, then yield, which is 6%, and then redemption, let's say £100 or $100, and then frequency, semi-annual coupon payment, and basis, which is actual means number of days, count is actual. Okay, so you get the price of the bond here, which is 112.7953. now if I would like to apply this for all the bonds and for all these different yields, then of course I need to lock some of these cells, which is C1, C2, C3, and so on. Remember, I need to allow this to move to different columns, so columns should not be locked, but just the cell reference should be locked. Okay, so C3, also C3. In case of B8, however, it is B that needs to be locked because the column must not change. 100 is fine, and then where it is C again, 4 needs to be locked and number 5 needs to be locked. So this now basically means I am able to apply it for all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these bonds here, and I can also do this so that I get the price of the bond for all these different yields. Okay, so hopefully this is not difficult. Now what I would like to do is see how the price of the bond has changed compared to when the yield was 9%. So what I'm saying is the basis here is 9%. This is what I'm taking as a basis. Okay, so when it moves, the yield moves up from 9 to 9.01, 9.10, and so on. What is the percentage change in the price of the bond? That's what I want to find out. Similarly, when the bond yield decreases from 9 to 8.9, 8.9, 8.50, and so on, what is the price change in terms of percentage? This is what I want to find out. Okay, so for that, what I can do is I can go here and ask the computer to give me the change. Okay, so basically if I know this is in percentage, so if I type in 10,000 times this 9%, which is the basis, minus again the same. Now this time I want to lock it because each time I want to find compared to this 9% what is the change. So here there should be no change, so no change. Okay, but when I take it up, what I should expect here is this is 0.01% change, so that's equal to 1 basis point, and this is decrement from 9, so that's correct. So similarly I will get when it is 6% minus 300 basis point, and when it is on this side all the way to plus 300 basis point. So there you go, you also understand the calculation of basis points. That's very easy, isn't it? Now of course what my intention here is to understand the percentage change in the price of the bond. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different types of bonds is what I have. So now in order to find the percentage change, what do I need to do? Equal. Okay, so when it is 9%, what is 8? So it is this 100, take away this 100, which is new minus old, if you would like this approach, log this divided by the same old, log this. Okay, so this is what I have done, so therefore there is no change. Okay, but if I take it up like this, then you can see for this place here compared to 100, it's 12.7953% increment, isn't it? So I need to get that number here, and that's what I get, 12.80. I'm not keeping them in percentage, but as soon as I convert them in percentage, you can see this works well, 12.8. okay, so now I'm fine. So I am able to drag it all the way here and all the way down, and similarly I can now also apply the same formula to fill in the rest, which is this. So what I have found now is, given these basis point change, increment or decrement or decrease beyond 9%, what is the percentage change in the price of the bond? Okay, this is what I have been able to find out. All right, now what we can do, we can look into the various properties and understand. Basically, we've already seen that price yield relationship is curvy linear. Okay, curvy linear, not linear. Now we need to move ahead and understand various properties and characteristics. So what I'm going to illustrate in the next few videos is the 4 main properties and 2 main characteristics. Okay, so watch my other videos to understand the same. Thank you very much.